Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
And we are fine.
Okay, very good. Okay, ready for the class? How are the holidays?
I'm good.
Hmm?
I'm good.
Good? Very good. Tell me, where did we leave the class on the last day that we had?
Ma'am, today we have to start from conservation of forest.
Fine. We have to start from the conservation of forest. Okay. Rest of the portion we have read. I have explained also. Yes. Okay. Very good. So let us wait for 2 more minutes and let everyone come, because still students are putting their attendance in the group.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Manjeet. Fine. A quick attendance class, NB. I hope you all have the books with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Class, do you remember the activity that we did for the previous chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have that collage with you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but I have only ma'am 2 news.
But I told you you can write the heading of headlines also.
Ma'am, but ma'am, I got in the newspaper only 2 news. So ma'am, I have write that only.
But you can, you people can always search on the Google and write the headings, no main headlines that come in the newspapers.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, remind me tomorrow. I will tell you something that I need to do with it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Then we are doing my 4th chapter.
Yes. We are doing
We
4th
have
chapter.
to start ma'am grassland.
Ma'am, we have to start from conservation of forest grassland. We have done.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to start from conservation of forest grasslands. We have done.
Yes, I know. Class, can you suggest some measures how to conserve forests? Do you think forests are important for us?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Why do you think they are important for us?
Ma'am,
Yes,
because they give, ma'am, because they give oxygen, they give us water, and ma'am, they give us, ma'am, if there is, ma'am, sunny days, so ma'am, they give us, ma'am, shade and food also.
very good. Anybody else?
Ma'am, and life for animals. Ma'am, if forest will cut it, ma'am, the clean oxygen will be not there, and the animals from the forest will come into the town area and harm the people.
Very good. Is Uzair, we always say if the forests are cleared. We never say if the forests are cutted. Okay, it is when the if the forests are clear, if they will be cleared, then there will be no habitat for the wild animals, right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right, class?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. What else could be the reason for the conservation of forests? If you could tell. Yes, class.
Ma'am, forest fires.
Forest.
Fires.
What is this forest fire? If you could explain.
Ma'am, in which forest, burns, totally, in which, the trees also burn, which causes, lot of damage to forest, or
Hmm.
which can be prevented.
Which could be prevented. Very good. Very good. Okay, Manir, would you like to say something? Can we have the
Ma'am,
camera? Can we have the cameras on, please?
global warming should be stopped.
Global warming, yes, to stop, because if we will not have forest, global warming will be there, and to stop global warming, we need to conserve the forest, right? Very good. What else? Very good, Anna. Natik, beta, can you have the cameras on, please? Switch on your cameras, class. Switch on your cameras, children. Yes.
Ma'am, forest areas should not be converted into, cities.
They should not be converted into cities. Exactly. Exactly. We all know that the forest areas are being, the forests are being cleared for the reason that land is required for the settlements, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if the forest areas will be cleared, what will happen? The habitat, natural habitat of the wild animals will be taken away, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And what will happen? Then these animals, they will come to the residential areas. They will move towards the places where the people are living. Did you see that Sherni movie recently which had come? It was streaming.
Yes, ma'am. Sherni.
Tigers. It is about tigers. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing is conveyed that.
Ma'am, Disney Hotstar.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, there we are reading, ma'am. Please tell.
We have not yet started reading, bacha. Aditya, Devansh, Prasun, please switch on your cameras, beta.
So, ma'am, what we are doing, ma'am?
Beta, we are discussing about conservation of forests. We are going to read about conservation of forests. Okay. Shall we start?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, one point would be, ma'am, we have to generate more and more dams.
We have to generate more and more what?
Ma'am, dams.
For the construction of dams also the forest areas are cleared. But then we can always think of an alternative, right? Right, Uzair?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, can we have Aman reading on page number 161?
Conservation of forests. Forests are an important natural resource. They are useful to us in a number of ways. They provide us with timber and a host of other products like lac, resin, gums, medicinal herbs, leaves, honey, etc. Forests help in maintaining the ecological balance by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They cause rainfall and prevents floods and soil erosion. They also provide natural habitat to various species of wildlife. Increasing population and its ever-growing demand for land has resulted in the depleting of forest cover all over the world. Forested areas are cleared to make way for farms, industries, and towns. Large-scale cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Although forests are renewable resource, they take a long time to regenerate themselves. Therefore, they need to be conserved. Awareness about the important
Wait. Hold. Okay, so why forests are an important natural resource? Aman, you have just now read. Can you give any 2 points?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, they prevent floods and they prevent soil erosion also.
Yes, very good. They prevent soil erosion and they provide natural habitat to various species of wildlife. Akshat Raj. So late they are coming. Okay. Fine. Anything that I need to explain over here? I think it is clear. They provide us timber.
Yes,
Timber
ma'am.
is what is timber? Do you know? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, it's a tree.
Huh?
Ma'am, it's a tree.
No. Timber means wood.
My turn.
Timber means
Lots of wood.
lots of wood. Okay.
Ma'am, the wood used for making furniture.
And this timber is used for various things. You know, it is used for various purposes, like for furniture making, for the construction of the houses also, right? So there are several uses of this timber. Other than furniture and construction of houses, what else can we use timber in?
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, timber is been used, ma'am, for making, tables,
Yes, very good.
ma'am, sofa and door.
Very good. Very good. Okay, a quick attendance and we start with the next part of the video. We have Adya Gupta in the class. Do we have Adya in the class? Please switch on the cameras, children. Otherwise, I will remove you. There is no point keeping you in the class. Is Adya there in the class? Adya is not there in the class. Anav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Aditya Narayan Tiwari.
Yes,
Aditya
ma'am.
Tiwari? Okay. Agrim Saxena? Not there. Agrim Saxena? No. Akshat Chandra? Not there. Akshat Raj? Not
Ma'am,
there.
he is there, but he is not connected with audio.
So what is the point of coming to the class then? Isn't it? Altamesh Uddin? Not there. Anvi? Anvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aradhe Nagpal? Harsh Rana? Daksh Bharadwaj? Dakshya? Devansh Gangwar? Devansh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on the camera. Devansh, switch on the camera, beta. Dhairya Agarwal. Devansh, are you switching on the camera? Or shall I remove you? हाँ जी बेटा बताइए Devansh, shall I remove you? There is no point sitting in the class without switching on the camera and not responding. Dhairya Agarwal, not in the class. Dhruv Bhojwani. Dhruv, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on the camera. Dhruv Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Hey, don't rub your eyes like this. Dhruv. Faisal Khan, not there. Gauransh Mittal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gauransh, your camera is on.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a network issue, ma'am.
What kind of network issue you have? Chaliye. I consider it. Kripansh, Kushagra, Banhir. Okay. Aman Khan,
Ma'am.
Uzair, Naitik,
Yes, ma'am.
Prasun.
Yes, ma'am.
Prasun.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Fine. Then Rajneesh Kumar. There is no Rajneesh. Rishika Verma. Rishika is there in the class? No. Priya Tiwari? No. Shagun Singh? No. Shashank Gangwar? No. Then Shreyan Sharma, Shikhar, Shubham Pratap, Tanishka Singh, Uday Saxena, Kavita
Yes,
Tiwari.
ma'am.
Kavita Tiwari. Fine. Beta, the names that I took just now, are these children there in the class? Do they attend the classes?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavita Tiwari is a new admission?
I think
No,
Kavita
ma'am.
Tiwari is the name of Aditya mother.
Aditya's
Yes,
mother?
ma'am.
Aditya Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's me.
Okay, Aditya. Fine. Fine, beta. Uday Saxena is there in the class? नो. चलिए, फाइन. Yes, can we have Dhruv reading?
Yes, ma'am. Reading.
Yes, Dhruv. You read from increasing population and its ever growing demand from here.
Okay, ma'am. Increasing population and ever growing demand for land has resulted in depletion of forest over cover all over the world. Forested areas are cleared to make way for farms, industries, and towns. Large scale in cutting down of trees called deforestation. Although forests are renewable resources, they take a long time to regenerate themselves. Therefore, they need to be conserved. Awareness about the importance of forests need to be spread among the people of all communities. Some important measures of forest conservation are given here. Reckless deforestation should be checked. The practice of shifting cultivation among the tribal people should be stopped. Forests as cleared for cultivation. Forest fires, which cause a lot of damage to forests, should be prevented. Unplanned or unauthorized urban growth should be checked. Forest forest areas should be
Forested
converted
areas.
into
It is forested
forest.
areas, beta.
Forested areas should not be converted into farmland. The most important measure is
That's it.
to
That's it.
plant.
That's it, beta. Thank you. Can we have Naitik reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Some important measures of forest conservation are given here. First point, reckless deforestation should be checked. The practice of shifting cultivation among tribal people should be stopped as forests are cleared uh, for cultivation. Forest fires, which cause a lot of damage to forests, should be prevented. Unplanned or unauthorized urban growth should be checked. Forested areas should not be converted into farmlands. Fifth point, the most important measure is to plant more trees. Large scale afforestation programs should be taken up by the government, other local agencies in India. One Mahotsav is a good example.
Okay. Now, do you know, class, what is shifting cultivation? Anybody?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I think ma'am to shift one tree to another because at that place the tree is not getting the sun and the water.
Exactly. See, shifting cultivation is a practice, beta, which is done by the people who live in the hilly areas. Right? What do? They keep moving from one place to another place. Like one patch of land they have cleared, एक जमीन के टुकड़े को उन्होंने साफ करा, उस पे खेती करी बहुत देर तक, 3-4 साल तक, 5 साल तक. वहां की जब सारी की सारी लैंड की फर्टिलिटी खत्म हो जाती है, तो वो क्या करते हैं, फिर दोबारा से शिफ्ट कर जाते हैं दूसरे लैंड पे. और इस तरीके से ये लोग क्या करते हैं, उस एरिया में जितनी भी ट्रीज होती है उनको काट के छोड़ देते हैं. अब काटने से क्या होता है, फॉरेस्ट कवर खत्म हो रहा है, ठीक है, और वो आग जला के उसमें जो आग की जो राख होती है लकड़ियों की या सूखे पत्तों की, उसमें वो क्या करते हैं, अपनी सीड्स को सो करते हैं. तो ये प्रोसेस जो है ये कॉन्टिन्यूस रहता है. हर 4 साल में, 5 साल में दे रिपीट दिस प्रोसेस, जिसकी वजह से लैंड बहुत ज्यादा डिग्रेड होता है, प्लस जो हमारा फॉरेस्ट कवर होता है वो भी कंप्लीटली फिनिश हो जाता है. यस, समबडी सेड समथिंग. अब ये forest fires, somebody in the morning, like when we started with the class, somebody said that forest fires should not be there. You know what is this forest fire?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell, Uzair.
Ma'am, when air blows on a high speed, ma'am, the trees they start, मैम वो आपस में घिसने लगते हैं, तो मैम उससे फायर हो जाती है.
हाँ बेटा, जब एक्सट्रीम गर्मी होती है ना, हाईएस्ट तनिष्का
Ma'am, I'm telling the answer.
टेल.
Ma'am, when there is extreme cold, when there is some extreme hot, so ma'am the dry leaves catches the sun rays, and that's why ma'am the forest fire there.
Yes. See, how many
Forest fire caused by ma'am humans also.
yes, sometimes we are also responsible for this. How many of you know that area which is near university? Anybody knows?
Ma'am,
MJP Rilken University? Who knows? Prasun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
You know, there is at the near university, there are residential areas, and behind the residential areas, there is a huge land where only the trees are there. You know, every summers, during extreme summers, the forest over there, they catch fire. Last 2-3 years, we have not heard about that. But previously, it was a very regular practice. In summers, the forest area used to get fire. So that was actually, and you know, especially one part of Uttarakhand where forests are there. There also in recent past near Jim Corbett, there were cases which where people localites the local people, those who were there, they reported that due to some or the other reason there is forest fire, and because of the forest fire, animals were turning towards the residential areas. So this forest fire should be stopped, and we need to keep a check on this as well. We need to ensure, certain measures that during the summers, the dry leaves which are there, they need not to be over there. We can, go for the clearing of it so that less of damage is done to the trees, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and if the trees are planted, ma'am, they should be planted at a long distance.
Yes. The plantation that we do for the trees that we plant, the saplings that we plant, we need to ensure that these saplings, they are at a specific distances only these saplings are grown, because once they grow up and they become a mature tree, then they may be very close, and because of the movement and because of the heat, they may catch fire, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, do you know what is this Utsav?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is a festival, ma'am.
Yes, what is it?
In that day, we have to plant the trees, ma'am.
Yes. See, first week of July is considered to be the Van Mahotsav week. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
You must have done some activities also based on it. Now see.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
No.
small children have done.
Okay, are you people not small? Huh? You people are big now because you are in class 8.
Big.
Yes, and next year you will be coming to 9th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No issues. See, these forest, this Van Mahotsav is it was a program that was in. Can you tell when was this Van Mahotsav program initiated?
Ma'am, in 1953.
In 1953. You know, Sundarlal Bahuguna, he was the person who initiated the yes.
Ma'am, Chipko movement.
Chipko movement, yes. What do you know about this Chipko movement, if you could tell?
Ma'am, in this
Ma'am, in this-
movement, ma'am, people are used to ma'am hug the trees and ma'am thank them.
Ha.
Ma'am, in this movement, ma'am, the people also not allow the other peoples to cut the trees.
See, this Chipko movement was initiated by Sundarlal Bahuguna, who died recently, right? Now, what was the provision in this Chipko movement? People used to they used to hug the trees, and did not allow people to cut them. So this was greatly done during that time, because during that time, in somewhere in 1973, people were, you know, recklessly cutting the forest areas. Forest trees were being cut. So just to stop this reckless cutting of the trees, this movement was initiated, right? That time when it was initiated, Uttarakhand was part of Uttar Pradesh, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And you know, by the initiative of this Chipko movement, many other parts of the country, they also saw similar kind of, you know, movements where people took initiative to, you know, protect the forest areas, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
Ma'am, in our library also, in our school library also, ma'am, there is a novel for ma'am Chipko book.
You must read it, okay, whenever you get
Ma'am,
it.
I have read it, ma'am, that
You have
book.
read- you have read this? Very good, very good. Okay, can we have Anvi reading conservation of wildlife? देखो बेटा, जैसे trees are important for us, wildlife is also very important for us. Wild animals या जो ये आप ये कह लो, जो wild animal, जो species जो forest areas में जो है grow करती है या live करती है, they are very important for us because they keep, you know, a balance. ecosystem को एक balance बना के रखते हैं ये लोग, right? तो इस balance को खराब ना हो, ये इसीलिए हमें वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन भी करना है. अब वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन एक रीजन से और करना है क्योंकि देयर आर मेनी स्पीशीज ऑफ एनिमल्स दैट आर बिकमिंग एक्सटिंक्ट. एकदम खत्म हो गई हैं वो, या तो बहुत कम बची हैं या एकदम खत्म हो गई हैं. तो टू एंश्योर, यू नो, that all these species are there, we need to, what we need to do, we need to protect the wildlife as well. So can we have just now I took whose name to read?
Ma'am, Anvi.
We read beta, conservation of wildlife.
Conservation of wildlife. The never-ending human greed for skins, fur, ivory, horns, and other animal products has led to the reckless hunting of animals in many parts of the world. A number of species has become endangered, and some have already become extinct. Large-scale deforestation has robbed the wildlife of their natural habitat. This has also led to a dwindling in their numbers. Therefore, the need of the hour is to preserve our wild resources. The indiscriminate hunting of animals has to be checked, and laws must be enforced to prevent. Many national parks, protected forests, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been set up all over the world to preserve our wildlife in their natural habitat.
Yes. See, I was talking about that Sherni movie, no? The tigers, we all know that the tiger are becoming extinct. They are being killed, right? And to save these tigers, we need to ensure to, because see, it is, tigers are very important part of the wildlife. So we need to ensure, you know, that they are saved. These species, they remain on earth. They do not become extinct like dinosaurs and other various animals are there which have become extinct. Can you name some animals which have become extinct from the earth? Anybody?
Ma'am, sparrow.
Sparrows,
Ma'am, white leopard.
white leopards, toads,
Ma'am, white
vultures,
tiger
Ma'am,
also.
vultures.
vultures. See, there have been like, you know, because these um wildlife that we have, the birds, the animals, the reptiles, all these are important part of the ecosystem. We need to preserve them. We need to conserve them. Reason for it is that if these are not there, what will happen? See, if small animals are not there in the forest areas, these big animals, they will turn towards the residential areas. They will come to the cities. They will come to the, you know, plains to eat, to find food. And ultimately what they will lead into, they will lead into eating human beings. They will become man-eater, right? That is why it is important to ensure that they are protected, right? Have you heard of wildlife sanctuaries and national parks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard of them? What is the purpose of having these wildlife sanctuaries and national parks? Do they have any purpose?
So, ma'am, to
They
save
conserve
and
animals.
the wildlife.
Huh?
Ma'am, to save and conserve the wildlife.
To conserve these. See, can you tell me what is the difference between a wildlife sanctuary and a national park?
Wildlife sanctuary is made by the bound by ma'am by converting a forest, making a fence on its side and making a sanctuary. And ma'am, wildlife parks are like ma'am zoos in which a small area is there.
Yes. See, both the wildlife sanctuaries or the national parks that we have, they are made in the natural surroundings where it is ensured that animals, they live in natural surroundings only. They live there as a natural habitat. No artificial things are there. But yes, of course, there is a fencing done. I think you all must have gone to Jim Corbett.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? A national park or a wildlife sanctuary?
Ma'am, a national
National
park.
park.
It is a national park. You must have seen that large forest areas were there. And did you see anybody, any kind of, obstacle over there, any fencing? Nothing was there.
Ye-
It was a natural area. It was completely a natural area. I think Tanishka got disconnected. Okay.
No, ma'am, I am here only.
You are there. Oh. Chalo, I think by mistake somebody. Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
No, the other Tanishka. Tanishka? Beta Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, your class has not started yet. 8:10 you're supposed to join the class. So please leave. I'll take you after 8. At 8:10 I'll take you, okay?
Sorry.
Hi, it's okay. Fine. So see, in the national parks and in the wildlife sanctuaries, it is ensured that all the animals, wild animals, they live in natural surroundings and they don't have to be worried that they will be caught or they will be killed by the humans for hunting and all, right? I hope this conservation of and the forest and the wildlife is clear and understood to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Fine. Tomorrow we will do the exercises of the chapter, right? And if you have any doubts, be ready with your doubts. And also read the
Okay.
recapitulation part. Fine, class?
Okay, ma'am.
You know what is the scientific name of tiger?
No, ma'am.
The scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris. It is one of the world's most beautiful and revered animals. But
Ma'am,
yes, beta.
ma'am, you are saying that, ma'am, the animals are, ma'am, extincted. Ma'am, but because of humans also they are extincted, ma'am, because of animals, big
Beta,
animals also they are
beta,
extincted.
we are only responsible for making them extinct because we are killing them. No, we are hunting them for several other reasons. Like, see, and the elephants are killed for the tusk it has. उसके जो बड़े बड़े दांत होते हैं, ivory उसके लिए उसको मारा जाता है. ठीक है. उसके बाद टाइगर को उसकी स्किन के लिए मारा जाता है, उसकी जो हाइड होती है. ठीक है. बहुत
राइनोसोरस के लिए मैम उसकी हॉर्न.
हाँ
मैम राइनोसोरस के लिए हॉर्न मैम.
बेटा डायनासोर्स एक्सटिंक्ट इसलिए हो गए क्योंकि वो चेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट को अडॉप्ट नहीं कर पाए. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स होते हैं.
मैम आई एम सेइंग दैट मैम राइनोसोरस के लिए की हॉर्न भी ली जाती है.
हाँ, राइनोसोरस को भी मारा जाता है. क्यों मारा जाता है? वो जो वन हॉर्न होता है उसका, उस हॉर्न के लिए मारा जाता है उसको. सो इट इज बिकॉज वी आर ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर किलिंग देम, राइट? अल्तमशुद्दीन, ये कौन है अल्तमशुद्दीन?
In our class.
Ma'am.
बेटा अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए तो 2 मिनट के लिए बच्चे.